The Salvation Army near me are renoing on a really tight budget. These kitchen cabinets are awful. Right here is the extension that they have just finished or are finishing up. So what I will be doing this week is going in, removing the kitchen doors, kitchen cabinets, and I will be taking them home, stripping them back and painting them. Okay, so I've built a nightstand, I've built a kitchen island, I've done some other building, you know, the bench out the front and all that sort of stuff. I decided, why not? Let's graduate to advanced. I don't know. I'm promised by videos that I've watched that building kitchen cabinets can be very basic. You can do it in a basic way. So that is what I am doing in today's video. These kitchen cabinets are awful. I could help you out by building some kitchen cabinets out of ply, which will be better quality, more sturdy than what you currently have. And they said, sure, go for it. So you guys, let's go together on this journey of building from scratch out of 3/4 ply kitchen cabinets. I am going to be building a 60-inch sink base and a 36-inch cabinet base. They're going to go side by side. It's going to be the sink, and also the smaller one is going to house a really big coffee maker that they have. This is the outside of the cabinet. Outside of the cabinet, and the two pieces that are sandwiched together are the inside of the cabinet. This is going up against the wall. This is going to be the front. I made a template of 3x4 for a toe kick. So don't forget, this is the outside, because you guys know I have a memory like a fish. This is going to be when looking at the cabinet, this is right, and this is left. Also, I just want to say thank you. She asked me not to say her name, so I won't say her name, but I am going to say thank you. Thank you so much. I got this as a gift from my Amazon wish list. It's so amazing. I've wanted a drill driver for ages. I'm so excited. So thank you so much. We are going to pocket hole the bottom. That is going to connect the sides. This is the underbelly of the, if you will, the cabinet, and I want the bottom here to line up with the toe kick. And then I have the block that I used before, and I'm just lining it up. for the top to screw down into. I'm going to do another one for the front, also one along here, and just for good measure one along the bottom. So three more. Okay, I'm done with the sink cabinet carcass. I am probably going to do face frames for around the front and do a fake drawer along the front as well. But anyway, I'm super happy with that. I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow I'm going to make the sink base, kitchen base that's gonna go to the right of this cabinet, and we'll see how I go with that, and then I'm gonna make the one that's gonna go on the left side of the oven. Poop. Right, here we go. Add my braces, so when I flip her over, I saw this when I was watching Shannon over on Woodshop Diaries. No, is it Shannon? Shara. Yeah, sorry. Not that she'd be watching, but... See what I mean? And that's the cabinet for the other side, other stove. There you go.
Did you pull it towards you?
No.
No. No, I said pull it towards you.
Okay, so all of that's come down. We're gonna put new board up there to take it to the wall, put trim around. We're gonna clean the walls and sand it down, and then I'm gonna end up painting the whole room eventually. What?
If I got that vent pipe that's sticking down,
Yeah.
if I gotta pull that out of there.
I'm not painting that wall. Alright, that's where we did demo, and the shelves have come down. We're going to replace part of the wood back up, box in the vent for over the stove. Now I need to paint, well, second coat all along here, first coat, and this is all the old section. So now this is a new drywall that needs priming, and I'm going to do all of that today. So let's get to it. Okay. Okay. I'm dressed for summer in this video. This video was actually, I did it during the summer. So during June, July, on weekends, because I was working full time by that time. So I was doing it on weekends and evenings. and it was fun to actually watch the video back while editing it, because I forgot about all that I did. You guys, it was a lot. I have to be maybe partially curious, partially crazy to take on the size of that job, because it was crazy. I mean, the most I had built at that point was like a little side table, which is actually behind there because Samuel couldn't take it to college. So it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work. And that was part 1 of a 3-part, here we go, take on a mammoth build. You saw me build the carcasses, if you will, I called them that, in the base cabinets, and you saw me demo and begin to paint the whole area. In the next video, you're going to see me build out the face frames of the cabinets as well as the doors of the cabinets, and that whole process. Can you see, learned a lot in that one as well, but I learned a lot in this whole thing, and it was so much fun to do this for the Salvation Army. Anyway, they do so much good for other people. They're always handing out, and whenever people offer to do stuff for them, they usually take them up on it, because most of our money goes towards social services and doing things for other people. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Love ya. Bye.